And in this tutorial, I'll show you how I created this makeup look using shades of brown and nude for springtime. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen. Starting with clean skin, I used my Skin Deva 20% Argireline Serum. And if you don't know what that is a peptide that is fantastic for wrinkle reducing and skin firming. Then I used my Estee Lauder DayWear moisturizer and gently patted this in all over my face. This has a really nice cucumber type scent to it. Then I used my Volition Prismatic Luminizing Shield. This is an SPF 50 sunscreen that is fantastic under makeup. I just started trying this one and I am so impressed with it. It's extremely lightweight. Then I used my Clarins Everlasting Compact and I patted this gently all over my face as my foundation, and after I did that I went in with my Deck of Scarlet palette. This is the number 4 edition and I used their adorable shade as my blush. I gently patted that onto the apples of my cheeks with a fluffy blush brush. Then I used my Hans Skincare Cosmetics bronzer in Ibiza and I framed my face with that, going around my hairline, temples, under my cheekbones, and under my chin. Then I used my Brow Bar to Go from Gerard Cosmetics. This is the blonde to light brown palette and I just filled in my eyebrows with that. Then I used my Biker Babe palette from Velvet 59 and it has these gorgeous, extremely pigmented shades in it. I started out using Twisty, which is a matte shade, and I just put that all over my eyelid as sort of a base for my eyeshadow. Then I dipped into Torque and started filling in the outer V and the crease of my eye with that shade. It's a slightly darker shimmery shade and I just gradually built that up. Then I dipped into Chopper, which is this rich chocolatey brown shimmer shade, and I started working that into the outer V, just adding a little bit more depth to this look. After I was happy with how dark that was, I dipped into Throttle and put that on the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten that up a little bit. After that, I used a clean fluffy brush and started blending out the upper edge of the eyeshadow, beginning on the lighter areas first and then working into the darker areas so that I wouldn't drag that darker color into those light areas and it would blend more evenly. After that, I dipped back into Chopper with a small brush and brought that along the outer half of my lower eyelid. And after I had done that, I gently blended out that edge just a tiny bit with a clean brush. Then I dipped into Armor with a small brush and just put that in the center of my eyelids to highlight them ever so slightly. After that, I used a nude eyeliner on my lower waterline to brighten up my eyes. And after that, I used my Idun Minerals Cosmetics Concealer underneath my eyes and then anywhere where I had redness, and I set that with a Maybelline powder on a small fluffy brush. Then I used my Lancome Rosy Plump Lip Plumping Gloss and gave that some time to work. While that worked, I curled my eyelashes, and then I used my Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. I put a little bit of that on my nose as well as on my upper cheekbones and on my brow bones, and I made sure not to use it too much for this look since the eye is already so shimmery. After that highlighter, I used my Cella Eyeliner Pen. This is a felt tip eyeliner pen that has a super sharp point on it. I love the fine tip on this one. It's the sharpest one that I've found so far, and it's really great for getting into that thin inner corner of the eye and getting precise detail. I did a wing on this look, and then I used my Grande Cosmetics mascara in their lash boosting formula. After that, I went on to lips. I used my Gerard Cosmetics CYS lip gloss. It has a mirror right on the tube and a built-in light, making it super easy to put on. And that is the finished look. Let me know if you want to see more springtime makeup looks like this one, and if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.